Hello, wonderful people, and welcome to the first Web Components Remote Conference. I am one of your organizers, Justin Ribeiro, and with me, Leon Revill.
Hi, everybody. Thank you ever so much for being here with us today.
And we have got a great lineup of 2 days of talks all about web components and some of the amazing things that our speakers and the community are doing to push the web forward. For those of you new to web components, it is the name commonly given to a set of web standards around things like HTML template, the shadow DOM, custom elements, and HTML imports. And there's going to be lots to talk about all the technology that makes these things work and some of the fantastic things people are doing with them. Leon, we should probably talk about how this conference actually works. So you are all remote out there, and we are also remote here amongst the internet tube things. Our talks are broken down into sessions. So if you look at the top of your screen above this video, you'll see a series of dots. Those dots denote each session. The beauty of this is that you don't have to worry about the dots. We can control which session things bounce around to. So you don't have to search for the live stream. It all happens automatically for you. And then you're probably wondering, well, what about the previous talks? What happens if I just missed exactly what Justin just said? Hey, don't worry, all the talks are instantly recorded. So they become available right after that session ends. So you can go back, make reference notes, try some of that awesome code that you're probably seeing on somebody's slide. And it's a pretty good day. You know, it's a pretty solid day. So if you want to engage with us, we see a lot of people already in the chat going ahead and engaging with speakers and other attendees. Feel free to use that. We also see people in the Q&A section doing lots and lots of questions already. And by lots, two. So Leon, I think we should take a question from the audience to start out this morning. What do you think?
Yeah, sounds good to me.
Okay, the first question we've got comes from Bedford, and he asks, is there a way to make the streaming content go full screen? Leon, that's an excellent question.
It is, and there's also been the same question in the chat as well. So unfortunately, the live stream, that isn't a feature available, so you can't actually make the live stream screens full screen. But as soon as they've recorded after the session, you'll be able to play them full screen to your heart's content.
That's a good answer. Maybe not the answer everybody wanted, but a good answer nonetheless. And we just answered this second question. We see people, other speakers and attendees answering that question as well. So that's fantastic. So you can engage through these tools. We'll be tight. If we have extra time at the end of particular sessions, we're going to use some of those questions to ask and talk with the speakers about. Finally, before we finally get sort of into the meat and crux of things as we move forward, let's talk about a thank you. A thank you to our sponsors, Common Time Limited, Carfax, Stickman Ventures Inc., and the Web Platform Podcast for all their contributions to help us run this event. We could not have done it without them. And Leon, we've got some great news about tickets, right? We've got some great news about tickets. I'm looking the wrong way. You're to my right on the screen. I'm pretending you're this way is the thing. Our ticket proceeds, who are they going to today?
They're going to go to Girls Who Code, which is an organization which was founded with a single mission, and that's to close the gender gap in technology, which, you know, is very important. So I'm really glad that we were able to, you know, give the proceeds away to a really good cause. So thank you for everybody who's purchased a ticket.
And those ticket proceeds are going to a really great cause. Love Girls Who Code. So I think that pretty much sums up how this event is going to run. So now, in a perfect world, all this works identical. If there are problems, you have questions, ping us in the chat. We're going to try to resolve them as quickly as we can. And we're going to wrap up this session right now as our kickoff and move into our first talk. So we'll see you just in a bit.